In this tutorial, you will learn how to install your Skycontroller. Before the first use, attach the neck strap included in the package. Plug the battery to the Parrot Skycontroller power cable and insert the battery into the battery compartment. Then, plug the battery to the Parrot Bebop Drone and press the power button. The Skycontroller can be used as a standalone. To connect it to the Bebop Drone, press the power button. A signal tone indicates that the Parrot Bebop Drone is connected to the Parrot Skycontroller and ready to fly. With tablet, the Parrot Skycontroller can be used with a smartphone or tablet in order to have a video feedback. You can also install a smartphone by placing it horizontally onto the upper compartment. Handling is the same as for the tablet. Connect to an iPad. Go to Parameter and activate your Wi-Fi, and select the network called Skycontroller. Wait a few seconds until the connection is validated. Then, launch the FreeFlight 3 application. The Parrot Bebop Drone connects to the Parrot Skycontroller automatically. Sunshade. On a sunny day, you will need to install the foldable sunshade cover in order to protect the screen from light reflection. First, fix the support or your tablet into the lower part with the elastic bands. After that, fix your sunshade cover on the Parrot Skycontroller. Finally, unfold the lower part of the sunshade and attach the upper part with the scratch. The sunshade can give you a first impression of FPV flights. If you use a 7-inch tablet, you have to insert it first into the support provided for this purpose. To update your Skycontroller, download the update file on the online support and put the file in the root of a USB key. Then plug the key and turn on the Skycontroller. The LEDs indicate the progress of the update. At the end of the update, the Skycontroller restarts.